Okay, there's a rule that says that all exterior angles sum to 360 no matter what kind of polygon it is. So if two of the exterior angles is 264, then all we need to do is we need to calculate what is 360 minus 264. And we get 96 degrees for that third exterior angle. And also, since we know that they sum to 360, it says, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each exterior angle measures 30? Well, we would do 30 times the number of sides, because the number of sides and the number of angles is the same, to get 360. And then just by solving for that, we would say, okay, if that's true, then let's divide both sides by 30, divide both sides by 30, and we get x equals 12. There must be 12 sides to it.